Hi guys, I am in Makodi, Benue State, and the place is so nice, quiet and scanty. I tell you, I was surprised to see that everywhere is just quiet and there are just few vehicles and bikes roaming about, and it's somehow strange, as if it's not Nigeria. I thought everywhere is just like Port Harcourt, Lagos, Delta, and other states that are so populated. But here, the city is empty. By 8 p.m., it was like midnight. By 8 p.m., I tell you, is if you go to Port Harcourt, 1 a.m. is more crowded than 8 p.m. in Benue. I'm going to share with you 10 things you should do at the end of every month in your bakery business, that it will help you. It will help you build, guide, supervise, monitor, do everything you're supposed to do as the manager of the business, as the owner of the business. The best thing you should do for me is to click the like button, drop your own comment, your opinions, and share this video with your friends. Having said that, let's go straight to the video. The first thing you should do as a bakery owner or as a bakery manager is to review your sales for the month. You have to check step by step, item by item, if you are baking different varieties of loaves. That way you will know if the sales has dropped or it has increased. It will help you to set a target for the next month. And so you have to evaluate your sales. What is the increase or decrease? Are there debts? All those things. Are there debts recovered? You have to check your sales, review your sales and your expenses, and then strike a balance. That way it will help you to plan for the new month. Number two is update your inventory. Check all your records and update all your inventories. Make sure that everything is up to date, because everything you are doing, the 10 things you are doing, will help you to plan for the next month. One of the things that makes some bakeries to run at loss and to the point of bankruptcy or closing down the factory is that they don't actually know whether they are making money or not. They're just producing and paying salaries and whatever that remain. You have to evaluate everything. Check your inventories. Number three is plan your upcoming menu and promotions. If you usually promote your bakery, some bakeries, they don't care about advert, and so you remain stagnant for a long time. Adverts and promotions will help your business to grow very fast. I tell you the truth. So find time to advertise. Now in Nigeria, advertising bakery product like bread is actually very easy and cheap. If you can go from store to store, advertise, talk to people, and get more customers. The fourth thing you should do is to schedule maintenance of equipment. Most times we manage, you manage, it's not working and you are managing, you want to see how you will maneuver. Nigerians are very good in all this managing. Let's make it work. Just use it the way it is. Do it like this, maybe you can manage it. No. Once you notice anything, any slight change in the equipment, you have to call for a technician to come check, carry out maintenance. It will help you to enjoy your equipment for a longer time. There are small things, maybe just a wire that cut or a change in sound. If you ignore it, it will lead to a bigger problem. But if you call the maintenance team to come check all the equipment, it will help you. So fifth one is evaluate staff's performance and training. Now, if your staffs are not giving you what you deserve, what you desire, invite somebody that will come and give them training. Train them to understand the business, how the factory works. You have to train your staffs and then evaluate the performance. Are they all working, or you have overemployed and some are just hanging around, or everyone is actually working, or the workers are not enough, your staffs are not just sit down, have a meeting with them, examine whatever, observe, find time to observe how your staffs are performing. So you have to evaluate your staff's performance. It will help you to plan for the next month. Number six is other supplies of your ingredients and anything you need for the new month that is coming. You don't have to wait until everything is empty. No. You have to know when to order for supplies, and the best time is at the end of the month, so that as you're stepping into the new month, everything is already in place. So order for supplies. This is one area that so many bakery owners are making mistakes. You don't just hand over those things to your manager to be making, to be buying, to be ordering supplies. It's not a good thing. Let them submit everything to you. It's just to make call. Get the contacts of all your suppliers. Wherever you are in the world, you can just call them and they will supply. You make payment. Don't leave it in the hands of the manager to be the one to be buying everything, and then whatever they send to you as profit, you take it. That way you will not enjoy your business. And so you should be the one to order for supplies and not your managers. Number 7 is clean and organize your workplace. This is one part of the business that so many are ignoring. If you enter some bakeries, everywhere is just messed up, dirty, not arranged, and scattered. It's not supposed to be so, because if your product is contaminated, I tell you, it will affect it. If your equipments are contaminated, it will affect the product, and that will also in turn affect the shelf life of your bread. So cleaning the bakery, the whole factory every month is sacrosanct. It's very important. So you have to inform, let your workers, let your staffs know that so day is like sanitation day, where you clean the whole factory, everything. You clean the equipments, the baking pans, even the wall, the ceiling, everything should be cleaned every month end. That way your bakery will be nice, sparkling, and decent. Part 8, set goals for the new month. As a bakery owner, you don't just continue production every month and you enter the new month, no plans, nothing. Set goals for the new month. Sit with your staffs and tell them, from evaluation of the sales this last month or this month that we are, the sales were not good. The sales did not increase. And so this new month that we are going in, we are targeting 20 bags per day, or 10 bags per day, 7 bags per day. This is the goal. So you, the distributor or the driver and the salesperson, you have to be able to supply so quantity every day. You that is supplying this area, you have to do it like you set the goals and target for each staff. That way it will also in turn affect positively in production, and the company's income and sales will increase. So don't just start the month without setting goals. Set your goals. Number 9 is update your social media and websites. Most bakery owners don't, display their product on social media. You are missing a lot. You are missing a lot of orders and exposure. Even some of us who don't have website, this is very wrong. It's very bad. And so you have to update your social media. Keep uploading. I tell you, it will attract order from people you'd never expect. One thing about social media is that this video, I cannot really tell who is watching. I may have 1,000, 2,000, 20,000, 1 million views. I don't know who are those people. So those people, some of them could be my neighbors that are not aware that I am doing this kind of thing in that area, or someone that is just not too far from me. So social media will expose your product to the world. Why not, upload? Just take some pictures, take some clips and upload on social media, upload on your website. Update your website also to make sure everything is functioning. Finally, which is one of the most important one, is review customers' feedback. This is one area most of us ignore. You have to, for you to excel, for you to maintain your customers and increase, you have to review your customers' feedback step by step. The complaints, whatever they said is not really good, that this is what I encountered. Their bread is not, the aroma is no longer there, the taste has changed. Review all customers' feedback. That way you make adjustments and push forward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the like button. It's very, very important. See you in our next video. God bless you.